What is going on, Shibarium? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about different chains and trying to see how this could actually potentially relate to Shibarium once Shibarium blockchain is out. I love seeing this number right here in front of us, guys, because this gives us somewhat of an idea of what we could be expecting, or even worst case scenario, if some of these factors happen, where could the price of bone be? So before I dive too deeply into it, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about Bone Shiba Swap token. So quick look at Bone. Bone is currently sitting at $1.27. We're having a bit of a pullback in the overall crypto market. Bitcoin fell below 29K. This could very well be the last dip as far as with Bitcoin before we go into the halving. So that is still yet to be determined, but currently right now it is dipping. So it's causing the overall market to dip as well. So taking a look at these numbers right here, guys, the top chain based upon monthly active address for that chain is BNB. So BNB currently have 13.3 million active users that's using their chain on a monthly basis. So one of the big thing that we need to see in Shibarium for Bone's price to have that big explosive up move is for us to have monthly or just active users, people using Shibarium. So if people are not using Shibarium, then the price of Bone, yes, it'll go up, but it won't have that big explosive move up like I've been mentioning in previous videos. So then next you have Solana. Solana is actually currently beating Ethereum out as far as users. So that's very interesting to see. Then you have Ethereum, Polygon, layer 2. You have this is layer 2. This is a layer 2, layer 2. And I think these two right here are layer 1s. So at bare minimum, if we just take a look at market cap, you know me, guys, I really don't like market cap, but I'm just doing this for the sake of this video for you guys. All-time market cap for BNB have over 100 billion, guys. And one thing to note too, guys, market cap is determined based upon what's circulating. The circulating supply, times the price equals market cap. So that's how that's figured out. So even if they have a max supply, kind of like how we have a max supply of 250 million, they're going to determine the market cap based upon what is currently being circulated. So as you can see here, we have 17 million wallets addressed on the test, guys. But again, this is just for testing environment. So if we would see anything like similar to that, then we could expect, the price of Bone to be somewhere comparable to BNB. And the reason why I say comparable to BNB is due to the fact that the circulating supply of BNB is almost similar, 153 million tokens. I estimate, after Shibarium is live, that we should be somewhere around that region, about 153 to even lower, as far as what is currently being circulated if we remove some of those tokens from the layer 1. So Solana all-time market cap looking at 70 billion, over 70 billion, which gave it that 260 price. But look at the circulating supply of it, though. It's 404 million. So that's a lot more than ours. Polygon, theirs is 20 billion. And this is why I don't like high circulating token, because typically the more and more circulation it's out, the harder it's going to be for it to have a big pop. As you can see, 9.9 or 9.3 billion and we have the market cap of it over 20 billion. Same thing for this one, 2.7 billion tokens. Market cap all-time high was somewhere around like 8 billion. This new chain that recently just popped up this back last year, 2022, but their all-time high is close to like 300 million for market cap. Circulating supply is a little bit low, which could be a potential token to look at in the future. But you have Optimus, which, you know, circulating supply of them is, look how high it is. It's 679. Look at the price. It's higher than Bone at $1.50. But the thing is, this been around, and this is already layer 2, so their tokens are already being used. So some of them are being taken out as far as being paired with other liquidity, and this is typically what you tend to see what happens. So this is why I'm so excited about the launch of Shibarium, because it's going to have typically about the same effect of this. So this has just been a steady grind up, because more and more users are starting to adopt, more and more users are starting to build on their platform. Then you have Avalanche, market cap 30 billion. Circulating supply on this, it's a lot higher again than Bone, 345 million. Then you have this one. This is also a new chain that's out, that came out 2020, high of 2 billion. Now guys, if we look at ours, as far as like how high ours ever gotten, we never reached $1 billion market cap, because again, market cap would have to be circulating supply times the price. So even when we saw the price were somewhere around like 40-50 bucks, there wasn't that much Bone that was available at the time, because it was constantly being minted, so the supply of it was that low. And again, I believe it was like due to a lack of liquidity that caused the price to be that high. So I don't even gauge those numbers within the 40s and 50s as far as Bone in the past to be somewhat accurate. But really guys, the future is looking pretty up for us as far as adoptability, because again, we getting all these different reports where people are saying like, hey, they're going to be building on Shibarium. So if that's the case, and I always preface it by if people build on Shibarium, then the price of the token at $1.27 is not going to stay. So only time will tell. We're less than 30 days away from the ETH conference, so I'm going to keep an eye on any news, any updates, so that way I can inform you guys. But let me know, guys, in the comment down below your thoughts and opinion. Again, this is just some data that I just wanted to share with you guys as far as what these chains are doing. 1 million active users, even at the lowest, guys, 163,000 active users as far as wallet. So I think we could at least, maybe be right on par right here. Or even if we reach Avalanche, and you already seen how much of a price that they had, if we look at, just switch this over to price, they gotten all the way to $130 something with a high circulating supply. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Leave your comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and opinion about this. Random Art signing off. Peace.